So in the previous class we have seen the definition of symmetric matrix. In the previous class we have seen the definition of symmetric matrix. So once again I am repeating the definition. So the square matrix capital A is said to be a symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to A. If the square matrix capital A satisfies this property, then A is said to be symmetric matrix. Is the definition. So then A is said to be symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. So now we are seeing. So already we have seen the three properties. Now one more property. So one more property, because that is a very important property. Number 4. If capital A is the symmetric matrix, then the I comma j the I comma j element of the A is same as j comma ith element of A. J comma ith element of A. So that is Aij is equal to Aji. So the meaning is Aij is equal to Aji. So give the example. So see this one. Example. If A is equal to 1, 2, here 2, 3, 3, 6, 8, 9. So is the symmetric matrix. See this one. Here A11, A12, A21, A13. First row, third column. A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, A33. So now see this one. What is the meaning of this one? I comma j element means, see this one here. A12 is same as A21. These two elements must be same. So these two must be same. Here A12 is equal to 2. That is equal to A21. I comma j is same as j comma I. So one more discussion. Here these two elements must be equal. So here these two. A32 is equal to 8. That is equal to A32. So next one is these two elements are also same. These two. So we see this one. These two elements are same. So A13 is equal to 3. A31 is also 3. So the meaning of these two elements must be same. So give one more example for symmetric matrix. So here see this one. So diagonal elements must be any number. 1, 7, 8. If it is 6, it should be 6. If it is some 4, it should be 4. If it is some 9. It is also 9. See this one. These two must be same. These two must be same, and these elements must be same. It is a symmetric matrix. Is symmetric matrix. So write down. So give them the examples. It is the most important property. Direct you can say the nature of the matrix. So if I write 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. So 8, 6, 4. It is not a symmetric since these two elements are not the same. Simply you can identify the symmetric matrix by seeing this property. What is that property? The I comma j element must be equal to j comma I element. These two are not same, means it is not a symmetric. You can identify the symmetric nature. So write down. So your chapter is matrices. It is a symmetric matrix. So it is also symmetric matrix. Why? Property is satisfied. These two are same, these two are same, these two are same. The principal line elements may be any number now. No condition is on principal line elements. Now so I am giving one more definition. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. So the square matrix. The square matrix, capital A is said to be skew symmetric matrix. If A transpose is equal to minus A. If A transpose is equal to minus A. So I am giving the one example. If A transpose is equal to minus A is satisfied by the given matrix A, then A is said to be the skew symmetric matrix. Example. A is equal to see this 0, some 6, 8, minus 6, 0, minus 8, 9, minus 9, 0 is skew symmetric matrix. Is skew symmetric matrix. So now we are saying it is a skew symmetric matrix. So prepare A transpose. Here A transpose is what? 0, 6, 8. Where transpose means what? So change the row into column. So second row goes to second column. And third row goes to third column. and minus A is equal to minus A. What is the meaning of minus A? So what is the meaning of minus A? So each element of A is multiplied by minus 0, minus 6, minus 8, 6, 0, minus 9, 8, 9, 0. So therefore A transpose is same as minus A, means A is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. So right. So this is the example of skew symmetric matrix. Of course, in IP examination point of view, it is also very, very important. They will ask the definition in very short answers. They will ask the definition in very short answers. So mark the skew symmetric as an important problem. Now, so we are going to see the properties and we'll see the observations. We are going to see the nature of the skew symmetric matrix. Observations. Observations. Number 1. The null matrix. The null matrix, or you can say the zero matrix, O n cross n is always skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Why? Because O transpose is always equal to minus O. Since O transpose is equal to minus O is possible. Minus 0 is same as plus 0. Minus 0 is same as plus 0. So O transpose is equal to minus O is possible. So null matrix, of course don't say null matrix. Null matrix of order n cross n. Means it should be square null matrix. Square null matrix is always, any square null matrix is always skew symmetric. Number 2. If A is a square matrix, any square matrix, then A minus A transpose is always skew symmetric. Is always skew symmetric matrix. Is always skew symmetric matrix. Example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. You may take any square matrix. No condition is there. Just it is a square matrix. So observe it. So given matrix is a square matrix, but resultant matrix is skew symmetric matrix. So you compare it here. Given matrix is just square, but resultant is skew symmetric matrix. So that's why I am taking general square matrix. It is a just square matrix. Basically, it is not a symmetric and not a skew symmetric, just square. Now, what about A transpose? What is the meaning of transpose? One row goes to column. Now, see A minus A transpose. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is A transpose? 1 3 2 4. So A minus A transpose is equal to 1 minus 1 0. See this one, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 3 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 4 0. So is saying therefore A minus A transpose is means obtained matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. A minus A transpose resultant matrix, obtained matrix. Obtained matrix is always this property is applicable for any square matrix. So you observe it. This property is applicable for any square matrix of any order. 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, any order. So write it. Third observation. If A is skew symmetric matrix, given is skew symmetric matrix, then K into A is also skew symmetric matrix. Where K is scalar. So what is the meaning of scalar? Scalar means any real number. So scalar multiplication does not disturb the nature of the skew symmetric matrix. Scalar matrix does not change the skew symmetric property. Now the fourth one is the most important property. A. Capital A is the skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Then I comma j element. I comma j element means Aij. That is Aij. Is the negative of the j comma ith element. So what is the meaning of negative? Minus aj. Negative means minus. So don't confuse, just multiply by minus. Minus aj is equal to, that is Aij is equal to the negative of. So that is, or you can write like that. Therefore Aij is equal to minus Aj I is saying. So for I is equal to 1 2 so on n, and j is also 1 2 3 so on n. Aj equal to minus Aj. Give the example. So A is equal to 0 4 5 6 minus 4 0 0 minus 5 minus 6. So see this one. A1 A12 A13 A1. So what is the meaning of 1 1? First row, first column. First row, second column. A2 3. So it is A31 A32, A33. So now see this one. A is saying, see these two. So these two and these two. So here, so what is the property? A12 is equal to 4 and A21 is minus 2. A31 is equal to, or you can write first one. A13 is same as 5. A31 is same as minus 5. So what is the next one? A23 is same as 6. A32 is same as minus 6. See this one. A12 is 4, A21 is minus 13 is 5, A31 is minus 5. Only they differ by signs. If it is plus, second one is minus. If the given one is minus, next one should be plus. So you have to observe the most important property here, the leading diagonal elements. What is the meaning of leading diagonal elements? The elements of all the elements of principal diagonal of a skew symmetric matrix are always zeros. Once again I am repeating the same point. The elements in a principal diagonal of a skew symmetric matrix are always zeros. How you are saying zeros? So here see this one. 1 1 2 2 3 3. 1 1 2 2 3 3 means here I equal to j comes. 1 1 means I equal to j. 2 2 means I equal to j. 3 3 means I equal to j. So put here I is, you are saying Aij is equal to minus j is the main property. So this condition is true for all the values of I and j. So how you are saying I and j 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 so on up to n. So when it is applicable for all I and j, put I equal to j. Put I equal to j, or you may write I equal to j equal to some 1. I equal to 1, j equal to 1. You may write any value, but we are substituting starting value. So it is same as A11 equal to minus A11. 2A11 equal to 0 means A11 is 0. So like that, right? I equal to j equal to 2. I equal to j equal to A22 equal to minus A22 comes. Minus A22, so bring minus A22 left side and 2A22 equals 0. A22 0, like that. So each and every element of a principal diagonal is always 0. So write it. So you may give the 2 by 2 skew symmetric matrix. A12 0, A8, A minus A 0. See this one, principal diagonal skew symmetric matrix. So A11, A12, A21, A22 is also skew symmetric matrix. Is also skew symmetric matrix. Number 5. If A is skew symmetric matrix, then the elements of all the elements of principal diagram. All the elements of principal diagram are always zeros. Since AII is equal to minus AI cross, implies AII is now exercise 3C now. You can write the note. Note the important note now. The every square matrix. So compare the statement. The every square matrix can be uniquely written as uniquely expressed as, can write written as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So every square matrix uniquely expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So what is the meaning of this one? See this one. A is equal to A plus A transpose by 2, A minus A transpose by 2. When you are seeing LCM, it will be only, So see this one, LCM is 2. A plus A transpose plus A minus A transpose. A transpose, A transpose, you get 2A by 2 becomes A. So but here we are writing the content formula. Just we are writing the content formula. So see this one. So but what is the nature of A plus A transpose? Already we have seen in the previous class. A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. So this one is a symmetric matrix. So what about this one? Skew symmetric matrix. See the previous one. Skew symmetric one. A plus A transpose already we have seen. So I give the example now. So if A is a square matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I give the example now. Then A minus A transpose is taken as some 1, 2, 3, 4. So already we have seen it is equal to some 0, minus 1, 1, 0 is there in the example problem. So like that A minus A transpose is always skew symmetric. So similar in the similar manner, what about A plus A transpose is the symmetric matrix. So symmetric plus skew symmetric is always equal to square matrix. So it will be very useful property now when you are doing the entrance problems like MSET, mains and IIT. Now we can start the exercise 3C. So very easy exercise. So what is the name of LHS? Just square matrix. Is equal to sum of symmetric plus two square. Now, so write the first problem from exercise 3C. Just transpose is asked that. Exercise 3C. Very easy problems are there. So first number 1. If capital A equal to 201, if capital A equal to 201 minus 1 1 5 and B equal to matrix B is equal to minus 1 1 0 0 1 minus 2, then find AB O transpose. Then find AB O transpose. Of course, AB transpose and O transpose is there. So see this one, AB transpose and O transpose. See the question once again, AB transpose and transpose. See this one, you may use this notation or this notation, both are same. So don't confuse here. See, B dash is same as B transpose, both are same. So when you are doing this problem, first you have to prepare B transpose, after then product, after then transpose. Now solution. So A is equal to 201 minus 1 5 and B is equal to you may see this one. B is equal to minus 1 1 0 0 1 minus 2. Whenever minus 1 1 0 or in this one, prepare B transpose from here. So B transpose is nothing but minus 1 1 0 0 1 minus 2. What is the meaning of transpose? Row goes into column. So all the rows are converted into columns. So now prepare A into B transpose first of all. Now prepare A into B transpose. A into B transpose. What is A now? 201 minus 1 5 and see this one. Minus 1 0 1 1 0 minus 2. It is 2 3 3 2. since we are preparing the value which is inside the bracket. Next, here number of columns and number of rows are equal. Now prepare the product now. So this is equal to first row to first column. -2 plus 0 plus 0. Next, 0 plus 0 minus 2. Next, 1 plus 1 plus 0. 0 plus 1 minus 2 is 2 cross 2. So see this one, what is the value of A into B transpose? Again -2, -2, 2, minus 9. So now asking is AB and O transpose. So transpose of this one is 2 and minus is the answer. So you can do the remaining problems now. So after this we will do the second sum. So I am giving the second question. If A is equal to -21 and 50 minus 14 and B is equal to -231 402, then find two types of bits are there, 2A plus B transpose and 3B transpose minus A. Two A transpose, sorry, 2A plus B transpose, 3B transpose minus A, -2150 minus 14, -231 402, enough now. So first prepare B transpose for both the problems. So given A is given as -2150 minus 1. Next, what is B now? He is 2 cross 3. Now from here, prepare B transpose first of all. So minus 231, 402 becomes 3 cross 2. Now, so go for first bit. 2A plus B transpose. 2A plus B transpose. So 2 into what is A? Of course, so we are doing the first bit. What is A now? Minus 2 1, 5 0, minus 1 4, plus B transpose is nothing but minus 2 4, 3 0 and 1. Just add it. So before go to the addition, so before addition, first multiply the first matrix with 2. Minus 4 2, 10 and 0, minus 2 and 8. Here minus 2 4, 3 0 and 1 and 2. Now take the addition of two matrices. Minus 4 2, 10 0, minus 2 8. Minus 4 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2, we are adding the elements. 2 plus 4, since we have a plus between them. 10 plus 3, 0 plus 0, minus 2 plus 1, and 8 plus 2. So result is minus 6, 6, 13, 0, minus 1, 10 is 2A plus B transpose. Now 3B transpose minus 0. So do the second bit. Do the next bit now. Just see this one. 3B transpose minus A. 3 into what is B now? B transpose, sorry. Minus 2 4, 3 0 1 2. What is A? Minus 2 1. Five 0. Now first multiply the first matrix with 3. So do the remaining part. First multiply the first matrix with 3. So after then, so take the subtraction. minus 6, 12, 9, 0, 3, 6, minus 2, 1, 5, 0, minus 1, 4. Now we can take the subtraction. So we have a minus between them. Minus 6 plus 2, minus how minus? 12 minus 1, 9 minus 5, 0 minus 0, 3 minus or minus 1, 6 minus 4. Now we can write the answer. Minus 4, 11, 4, 0, 4, 2. Is the value of third sum will be homework. So third one is homework. So first prepare A and A transpose and add them. So adding is the first bit, multiplication is the second bit. So third problem is the homework problem. First prepare A transpose. So I am giving the hint. So solution. Of course it is the homework somewhere. So prepare A is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 5 3. Now what is A transpose? Row into column. 2 minus 4. Now prepare A plus A transpose and A minus A transpose. You can do the problem. Now, fourth problem. So write A plus A transpose is the first question. This is the first question. So next question is A into A transpose. So do the third sum. కొంచెం స్లో చేయాలి బాగా స్పీడ్ చేసి మిస్టేక్ చేసేటంటే కొంచెం స్లో చేసి కరెక్ట్ చేయడం బెటర్ ఒక్క ఎలిమెంట్ అయినా ఆన్సర్ మొత్తం డ్యామేజ్ అయిపోతుంది So now fourth one. This is a very important question in the examination. So very important question for 2 marks. So, compulsory probabilities. So first write the question. If capital A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3, x, 7 is the very easy problem. Is the symmetric matrix. Is the symmetric matrix. Then find x value. Find the value of x. So that you can say the answer by using the properties of symmetric matrix. So what is the value of symmetric? What is the value of x value? So already we have seen the one property A11, A12, A13, A21. See the properties of symmetric matrix. Alright. 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Whenever it is a symmetric matrix, these two elements must be same. These two elements must be same. These two elements must be same. A12 is equal to A21. No? Symmetric matrix. So like that, see this one. What is the value of x? Direct value 6 is the answer. But you have to maintain the, when you are saying direct method, these two elements must be same. It should be 6. So see this one. These two are same. These two are same. But when you are doing the problem in IT examination, we have to do the general process. So given A, don't do the direct method. Minus 1, 2, 3. So once again I am repeating. So entrance examination is completely different from the IP examination channel. So entrance examination lo man direct option పెట్టొచ్చు ఇక్కడ అలా చేయట్లేదు. So don't do the direct method here. Now A transpose is what? Transpose means interchanging of rows and columns. 3x7. So but property is same. Given A is symmetric. So A equal to, or you may write like this. But A transpose is equal to A. Why? Because A is symmetric matrix. A is symmetric. So what is the meaning of A? Minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3x, 7. What is A? Minus 1, 2, 3. 2, 5, 6, 3x7. Now we can equate the elements. See this one. So these two elements are same. So x is equal to 6. When you are equating the two matrices, the meaning of equality of matrices is what? Two matrices are said to be equal if their orders are same and corresponding elements are also same. You can equate these two elements. X equal to 6 or x is equal to 6. You may equate any element. So answer will be same. So write down. Don't do the direct method in the IP examination. You can do the next problem now. Next problem is also similar. So fifth one is the homework. So direct value is there for x. You can decide the answer direct. X is equal to how much? X is equal to 2. Since asking is Q symmetric matrix. So these two elements are same, means x is equal to 6. So write in parts. number 5. 0 to 1 minus 2 0 minus 2. So very important question. So next one is 5. If A is equal to 0 to 1 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 1 x 0 is the skew symmetric matrix. Is the skew symmetric matrix. Then find x. So see the skew symmetric nature. You can do the next sum now. So just decide the nature of A, whether it is symmetric or skew symmetric, by doing A transpose equal to A and A transpose equal to minus A. Now what is A here? What is A now? 0 to 1 minus 0 minus 2 minus 1x. See the A transpose. 0 to 1 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 1 x 0. So give it, but A transpose is equal to minus A. So why you are writing like this? So given A is skew symmetric matrix. So already given A is skew symmetric matrix. Just so write the values. So what is A transpose? See the A transpose 0 to 1 minus 1 x 0. Minus A means all the elements of A should be multiplied with minus. So multiply the A with minus 1 now. 0 minus 2 minus 1 2 0 2 1 minus 0. Now we can equate the elements. So see this one. X is equal to. You can equate any element now. Here we have a direct method. So already we have discussed this one. Whenever it is 2, it should be minus 2. It is A minus A. Minus 2 means it should be 2. See this one here. Negative of Aij is A12 is equal to minus A21. So like that we have a some nature now for the skew symmetric matrix. So do the next problem as a homework problem. Just let the given matrix as A and prepare A transpose and check the property of A transpose equal to A and A transpose equal to minus A. But when you are seeing the properties, it is very easy method. So in the next class we will do the remaining problems.